when we count, we don't want to speak out the exact number. Just want to say a number also. What could we say in Chinese? Do you remember? 个、十、百、千. In Chinese, four number a set, right? So this is 十 and then 20, 30. Here, let's see this example. 十多个. 十 here. 10. We just say 十. We don't say 一十. And here, 20, 30. So 10, we omit e. We must omit e. Only say 十多 more. So more than 10 and less than 20. 十多个蛋糕. 个 major word. When we count 蛋糕, we use 个 to count. And here, this, do you remember? This is 个位数, 个, from 1 to 9, right? So 十多个. The number could be from 11 to 19. 11 to 19. More than 10. How about the number if I say 20多个20多个蛋糕? What's the range of the number? 20 is this number, right? So it could be from 21 to 29. This 20多. Let's see this. 20多朵花. When we count 花, we use this 朵 to count. So 20多 from 20多 from 21 to 29. 个十百千. And here, 100多支铅笔. When we count 铅笔, we use 支 to count. What's 100多? This is 100, right? Here, 100多. So this 多 from 1 to 99. From 1 到99, right? So 100多支铅笔. The range of the number from 101 to 199. This is 200. More than 100 and less than 200. 3000多本书. We count 书, we use 本 to count. So What's 3000多？个、十、百、千、千 here. So 3000. This is 3000. So more than 3000 and less than 4000. This number, this 多 right? 3000多. This number from 1 to 999, right? So the number 3000多 from 3001 to 3999. Now let's see this. 6万多个学生 We count 学生 We count people. Use 个 to count. So 6万多 Let's see this. 个、十、百、千 and then yes 1 and then here 1 2 3 4 1 and then 10万、百万、千万 4 is a set. 4 is a set. 6万 here 6 1 and here 多 it means more than 60,000 less than 70,000 and this number from 1 to 1 to 9999 9999. So the range from 6001个、十、百、千、万 So 6001到个、十、百、千万69999. Now let's read this sentence. 现在你有多少钱 How many? 500多块钱 We count 钱 use 块 to count. 500多 500多 So from 501 to 599 500多多多。你们学校有多少学生？2000多个。Here we omit the previous mentioned noun 学生 and we count 学生 we use 个 to count. So 2000多个十百千2000多。这只手机多少钱？1万多块钱。个 十、百、千。1, 2, 3, 4 for a set. And then 1. 一万，一万多。So here, the number from 1 to 9999, right? So the number from 101 to 19999. See you. Bye.